Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Diva, Fab5Freddie, and HOSStin Ripley. I'll be using Messy Mansion Plate MM-49. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is Fab5Freddie, and it's a beautiful blue cream. And then we've got the sparkly one called HOSStin Ripley. I'm going to go in with my first coat of everything, as I normally do. And, you know, I've told y'all so many times, and I hate to sound like I'm gushing, but I love Diva polishes. The formulas are just outstanding, and I'm sold. And here we go. We're going to go in with our second coats of these two beautiful polishes. You guys know I'm going to be doing some stamping, so, you know, going to get these polishes on the digits, and then we'll get to the stamping part, as we always do here pretty much, unless I'm doing some other kind of nail art. But these are like, she's doing like Rookie of the Month polishes, so I'll leave a link for Diva polish down below so you can check it out. These were the first two, and I think this third one's already been released. Well, here we go. We're going to go in with some more creamy goodness here. I mean, you just can see that that formula is smooth as butter. It just goes on and it levels out, and it's just insane. I love them. Love them so very much. And this pinkish one with the glitters in it, it's just... that's my kind of polish right there. Got my free edge. I'm trying to get this one to straighten up a little bit. There we go. Kind of a little thick. It's the glitters in it's messing with me. There, I think I got it. Finally, come on, girl. Just stop messing with it. It's because I keep messing with it, y'all. I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Mayonnaise Let's Go top coat. Going to dry it down, seal it in, get it ready for some stamping. There we have it. And then some top coat over that squishiness over there. That just brings that one to life. Nice glossy top coat. So much in love. Alrighty, and there's a swatch photo of them on their own. And here is Messy Mansion MM-49. We'll clean it off with some acetone and a paper towel real quick. I'll be using Color Alike, and this is Be a Red Wine. And this blue one is Be a Raindrop. They're just so pretty. I've got out my Maniology cube stamper and scraper, and I already did my thumb. Can't find the footage, so we're just going to move on with the rest of the nails. And you know, this plate was just so cool. I love that it's got like more solid sides to some of the images, and then some closed up. I mean, you know, it's like, I don't know how to describe them, but I like them. There we go. And with my nails being short, they kind of look just abstract, but it's okay. So I did clean the stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. Now I'm going to go ahead and confess, I kind of chopped off her nose when I put it on my nails, or her lips, or something. I can't tell you, it totally does not look like a face by the time I get done with it. But I still was happy with the manicure, so we're not going to whine about that. We're just going to pay attention next time. See? Doesn't even look like a face. And I love this flower image. I just wanted to play with this plate and these polishes. And this is one of those experimental manis. I'm just playing. I went into it with no clue. And this little bunch of 3 roses is going on that pinky. Da-dum, da-dum. There we go. And there we have it. And I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this extra polish off of my skin. There we go. Gonna get in there and get some of that stuff off of there. And these do clean up really good. And I forgot to smear my Burt's Bees around my cuticles. I sometimes do that. And then I've got that cleanup brush to finish everything off. I like to turn my hand all the way around, look at it from all different angles to make sure I get everything up. I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat over this stamping today, and then we're going to let that dry completely. And then we'll be using Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat to finish this one completely off. We'll put that top coat on there, get it to dry down, and we'll be good to go. So I do have a swatch photo coming up soon. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I always love hearing from you. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.